Mao Zedong said, "Power flows from the barrel of the gun." Political science is the study of shaping and sharing of power, said by Laswell and Kaplan. Foucault said, "Where there is power, there is resistance." John Plamenage said, "Political theory is not an escape mechanism, but an order scholar." The theory of politics itself is divided into political science and political philosophy. George Catlin. Political philosophies are intellectual and moral creations. They contain high ideals, easy slogans, dubious facts, crude propaganda, and sophisticated theories. See Wright Mills. Robert Dahl says, "In politics, refusing to decide is simply deciding to allow others to decide for you." Raphael says, "Philosophy differs from science in that science seeks explanation while philosophy seeks justification." Lasky says, "No political idea is ever intelligible save in the context of time." David Easton says, "Political scholars sitting in ivory towers perfecting their techniques have ignored the purpose for which the technique is used." When I look at a question paper titled Political Science, I am more troubled with the title than the question asked, said by Maitland. When we ignore values, it is like not making any difference between pure water and dirty water. Leo Strauss.